On behalf of ExpertVillage, my name is George Engel with Mr. Fix-It Handyman Incorporated here in Miami, Florida. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install a bifold door. Okay, so we're going to be putting an anchor into the floor. This is typical plastic anchor. So we only need to go down about an inch, maybe a little bit more than what the anchor is. So here's our hole. And again, this is a hammer drill. It's going to make a little bit of noise. See, that's about where we need it to be. Okay, brush any of the dust away. Once it's in, we're just going to slice the top of it off just so we got something there to put the screw in where it will be able to grab into to mount this bracket.